Hi, this is a late night vlog, specifically 11:32 at night. Every time I go to sleep, my first nap was good, but now when I'm trying to go to sleep for the night, I'm literally reliving my last slaps. I don't know if it's guilt or what, but specifically right now, it's not a good image. Specifically, what I keep on reliving is when I was throwing up, and it was very scary. I don't know why I'm reliving it. I don't know if it's the Lord saying, hey, you're not doing everything that I need you to do. If that is, all I can say is I'm sorry. I'm trying to put the vlogs, I'm probably not putting them up as often as the Lord wants me to. But specifically, I can only do what I can do. And also, if I have nothing to say, it's kind of hard to put up a vlog. But specifically reliving laps that literally almost killed me, that's not a good thing. I don't want to go down that road again. As I keep on joking, I was on death's door. Thankfully, death wasn't home. But I don't want to keep on reliving that. It was very scary. It was definitely not good. And especially when I couldn't see. When you get to the point where either the lapse or something happens and something that you thought you could live without, and then you find out you really can't, or at least it would take a whole lot of work to get used to. Specifically, mine would be not being able to see. It's scary. It's very scary. So specifically, I'm just pretty much putting up this vlog because I feel that I have to. I don't know if anybody else relives their lapses through their dreams, but it's not good. It's not good at all. Yes, I'm talking very quiet, and I don't even know if this is going to register on the video. But have a good night all. Sleep well.